What's up everybody? So today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own decarboxylated Amanita Muscaria tincture at home for really cheap. It's very simple and it's also really quick as well too. If you don't know what that big fancy word means, decarboxylated or decarboxylation, when it comes to Amanita muscaria, essentially what that is referring to is an alkaloid within Amanita called ibotenic acid that whenever you apply heat and acidity to it in a certain type of way, decarboxylates that alkaloid into more of an alkaloid called muscimol. Muscimol produces more of a dreamier, restful, sleep-enhancing type of effect. And so whenever you decarboxylate your Amanita, you're essentially kind of shifting the nature of it, the spirit of it, into more of a dreamier, sleepier type of tea or tincture. But it should be noted that this same recipe applies for a non-decarboxylated Amanita muscaria tincture. You'll just follow the same exact steps, except you won't use lemons or lemon juice within the process. So let's jump into it. So what you're going to need for this recipe is some Amanita muscaria caps, and you can get these at www.amentara.com. You're going to need some sort of cheesecloth. You're going to need lemon juice and or lemons that you can squeeze in there. You're going to need some sort of pot to cook in. And you're also going to need some sort of food grade alcohol. For this particular recipe, I use tequila. So what you're going to do as the first step is you're going to make a decarboxylated tea out of your Amanita muscaria caps. This is very simple. All you're going to do is take your Amanita muscaria, you're going to chop it up into little fine pieces. As you can see here, I'm just kind of crushing it up with my hand within the pot itself. And then after you do that, you're going to add 1 part water and about half part or just a little bit, a touch of lemon juice and or squeeze a few lemons on top, as you can see me do here. You're then going to put this on the stove. You're going to let it come to a boil here, but you don't want to let it get too hot, so watch it closely. Once it reaches this boiling point, you're going to let it simmer on lower heat for about 20 or 30 minutes. You're going to take it off, let it cool, and then strain your Amanita muscaria through a cheesecloth. And at the end here, if you notice that the overall volume left in your pot is still quite a bit, where it's going to make pretty low potency tinctures, then what you can do is continue to let your Amanita muscaria tea simmer for a little bit to evaporate some of this water off. So then you're going to take your finished Amanita muscaria tea here and you're going to add tequila and or food grade alcohol, about 40% volume of alcohol to this mixture, and this is going to help preserve it, add some shelf life to it, all of those things. And then you can bottle this up in your tincture bottles. I slapped a little cute sticker on mine, as you can see, so I know what it is. And there you go. You have your own easy, cheap to make decarboxylated Amanita muscaria tincture. I think sometimes people can get a little bit confused about how to make the Amanita tinctures, because most plant medicine tinctures that you make, you can just simply soak them in alcohol, and that's how a lot of people know and have been making their homemade tinctures for a long time. But Amanita is a bit unique in that its 2 main active alkaloids, muscimol and ibotenic acid, they're something like 10 times more soluble within water than they are ethanol. So whenever you create this tincture, you want to first extract the alkaloids into this water, reduce it down so you're not dealing with a whole lot of volume, then add your alcohol to it to make it the kind of like preserved tincture alcohol mix. And like I said earlier, if you would like to create a non-decarboxylated version of this tincture, just follow the same exact steps, except you'll subtract the lemon and or the lemon juice. And if you're looking for a place to get some good Amanita muscaria to make your tinctures out of, you should go to www.amentara.com. We have the best Amanita in the United States at the best prices with a really great team that'll ship it out to you really quickly. And if you don't feel like dealing with everything that you just watched, or you want to have a little bit of that like convenience factor, we have some Amanita tinctures already pre-made that we sell on amentara.com that you can get as well too. I hope that you found this video valuable. I hope that it helps you a bit. Peace out. Much love.